In our last video, we learned about how to create a job with BatchMan. To combine jobs with dependencies, we use nets. BatchMan nets resemble processes in BatchMan that are executed as a whole. Let's get started. We'll start as always with the BatchMan Explorer, J5HEN. Here we choose Master Data and the Net Maintenance. To create a new net, we enter the name. Click on the button here to create the net. Enter a description if you like. Save this net and you can move to the graphic view. Click the Job List button here to insert more jobs at once. Hold the Control key and select all the jobs you need. Press Accept. You will now see all jobs in the graphic view. Let's first take a look at the BatchMan dependencies before discussing the net. There are 5 dependencies, each represented by a different color: black, green, red, yellow, and blue. The black line refers to the standard dependency. After the predecessor is done, either successful or aborted, the successor goes on. The green line indicates that the successor can only start after the predecessor has successfully completed. Conversely, the red line indicates that the successor can only start after the predecessor has failed or been aborted. The yellow line represents a junction of alternative paths from the green and red lines, meaning that the successor will start either way, and the other line will be skipped. The blue line refers to a successor with lower priority compared to the other lines. This means that when the lines with colors are running, the blue line will be skipped, but when the colored lines fail, the blue line will execute. Let's jump back to our case. And now we can draw our process with lines. Here you have 2 options. First option, draw the lines first and then change the colors of them. Second, change the color before you draw the line. I will show you both ways. As you can see, we are using the black line. Click the button here, then use drag and drop to draw the line between 2 jobs you want to connect. So here from the beginning to data transfer, then to integration check to processing, then to the end. Let's click on the Node Adjustment button to give us a better view of this graphic. Now, let's set the color of the lines. All lines should be green except the last one. Double-click on the line to check its color. At the meantime, when the integration check is aborted, which means we need to use the red line, and then we want it to go to the cleaning job, then to the end. Click on the Node Adjustment again to reorganize the graphic. Here we have to use yellow lines, since this is a junction of the green and red lines and we only need one of the predecessors to finish, and skip the other one. This video is just to give you a general overview about how to use BatchMan nets. Please don't hesitate to contact us for any questions.